Hey everybody, Miss Dietrich here. We're taking a look at number 6 on quiz 8b. It says, which graph represents the solution of the inequality 2x plus 7 is less than or equal to 9? All right, so I rewrote the inequality. It's a little bit blurry, but we'll work with it. And it's a two-step inequality. What do I mean by that? This is multiply. This means 2 times some number. And then we also have addition. Now, whenever you have multiply and addition, you always want to look for the add or subtract operation that's on the same side of the equation and undo that first. So how do you undo it? You apply its opposite. What's the opposite of add 7? It would be to subtract 7. So we're going to subtract 7 from both sides of the inequality to keep it balanced. All right, now when we think about what happens with all this, that's all going to cancel out. So that's nothing. We're going to bring down the 2x. We're going to carefully copy the symbol, which is the less than or equal to, and then carefully subtract this and get 2. All right, now when you get to this point, some people get confused because we have the same number here. Now, what are we really dividing by? We're really dividing by the coefficient. So what's the coefficient? It's this number right here, which happens to be 2. So we're going to be dividing both sides by 2. All right, now over here, if I do 2 divided by 2, I'm going to get 1, and 1 times x would be x. But what's 2 divided by 2? 2 divided by 2, what is it? So you're going to come up with that value and put it right here. And then I want to remind you all about our characters that we've done in the past to help you remember about open or closed circles. So you may recall we have this character that has an open mouth, and then this character with his closed eyes has a closed mouth. So that might help you to know that we should be looking at a closed circle option. So that means choice B is off the list because that has an open circle, so there's no way that that can be right. All right, so then look at what you have here and decide which is true. And you might even want to take some hypothetical values off the one that you pick and insert it into the place of x. In other words, substitute it in for x to make sure that it makes the statement true.